I'm here back in our showroom in LG Lesmo, and I'm sitting on one of our folding chairs. So the folding chairs are perfect to match with a magic table, for example. So you have this table in front of your sofa, and you want to extend the table, so you need further chairs. So you can just take the folding chairs out of your wardrobe or in the closet. They're so tiny when they're closed. I can show you now that with an easy move, you just lift the top like this, and then there is one leg, okay, and then the other one, and voila, just 5 centimeters. So it's just great, and you can pull it away. What is more is that the structure is in solid wood, so as all our products, it's very resistant and durable over time, and you can choose to have the natural wood, like this one, or you can also choose to have it color, like this one. So this is in black, this is in white, but we have so many different kinds of colors, so you can create the one that you like the most with the eco leather that you like. Some of our customers actually also chose to have different colors for different chairs, so you can also leave your imagination free and have fun with different colors. I can show you here that we have so many different ones. Is around, I think, 20 colors, so I think you will find your color, your best color, and your favorite one. And what's more is the eco leather. The eco leather is kind of a particular type of eco leather. It is the one that is usually used on yacht or boats because it's very resistant. It is anti-mold and antibacterial, and also actually it is resistant to thermal shocks. So if you have, of course, the chairs in your house and it is hot weather in summer or cold weather in winter, there is no problem with this one. What's more is that to clean it, it's very easy. You can use just a damp cloth and a little bit of hot water. If you want to have a little bit of soap, you can do that, but it is not necessary. Now, what is the difference between these two chairs? Of course, the color of the eco leather, but what is the differ is the backrest. As you can see here, this one can be turned for taller people, okay? This one no, but has a soft back, so with the eco leather also here. This model is called RIQUADRO, because in Italian it means like this one, a rectangular. And you can turn it as you like, so I can show you that one you sit on the chair. It is very comfy, so it follows your back. So if you have a very, very long lunch, as we use in Italy, you can just feel very comfy. And so when you have guests over, you can just take your folding chairs. And if you want to renew your chairs, you can actually also choose to change the color of the chair over time. The structure will remain the same for years, but you can call us and we can change the eco leather. Here, as I said before, is the soft of the backrest with the eco leather, so it's called soft model. And that's it. Here we have our folding chair. So if you want to have other info, you want to create your own one, you can go on our website, we can schedule a video call, we can also WhatsApp or call. And of course, if you want a sample and see if the color of the eco leather is the one that it is your favorite, we can contact us and ask for a sample. We can do that without any issue. So just, we are there for you, just contact us and we will help you to create your own piece of chair.